happened again. The neighbors, Rottweilers, got into the cage. They tore in through here. It was 2 layers of the chicken mesh wire. Looked like they were trying to get in through the back. There goes one of my girls.
They broke our fence, they came in our yard, and they ate our chicken. All right, well, what are we going to do about this? This is the second time I'm doing it.
There goes my other girl. I'm really frustrated at this point. I don't know what to do. I don't want to put any other animals back here if they're not going to be safe. It's not like it's raccoons or something in the wild. It's my neighbor's dogs. I heard my dog barking early this morning.